Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock VIVO X300 without password. Okay, a really important thing in the beginning, please only try to unlock your phone and in no other case someone else's, because that's unethical and also might be considered as a crime. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, and we will lose all of our data. It is necessary to unlock this device. And the last thing is that after the reset, when we get into setup process, the phone will want to verify us, or by typing the screen lock. Of course, we cannot remember it, but we can select the second method, which will be logging into Google account into which we were logged in before the reset. So you will have to sign into Google account after the reset. If you don't remember it also, you might have to perform a bypass of this Google verification. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel you can find videos how to perform that. Okay, once we have discussed everything, and if you want to go forward, you need to follow my steps. You can see that my phone is locked. I cannot remember my pattern. And now what to do? We need to power off our device first. Click on power button and volume up button, and now swipe to the right side to power off your device. Now to launch the recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. So simply keep holding, just like that. Okay, now select using volume keys recovery mode and confirm by clicking power button. We need to wait a little bit until the recovery mode launches. Okay, now click on clear data, click on clear all data, and now click on clear. The process has now started, so we need to wait until it's done. It won't take long, so don't worry. Okay, all data cleared. Now click on return, go back, and click on restart. Click on OK, and now we just need to simply wait until your phone turns on. The next thing that you need to do is to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.